therapy. Kind of dangerous. Then it gets installed like magic and it's all done. Okay, so welcome back to Yazzie Fake TV. This week, we're going to be reviewing some products that are much needed on this thing. Whoa. See, it's 95 degrees here, and, well, it tends to get really hot in Pennsylvania, and it's kind of dangerous. So with that being said, let's get into this week's video, huh? So this week, we're going to be reviewing some accessories for the side-by-side. And the first thing I'd like to talk about is this whole roof thing. Let's start there. These Maverick Turbo RRs are really fun when the weather's right, but sometimes the weather is just not right. So here we have the Elitewill soft top, hard top roof. You know how everyone just like throws the box on the product and it gets installed like magic and it's all done? Let's see what this product looks like. All right, we do have some hardware. I get it. Here it is. So let me explain to you why I went with the hard top, soft top, bikini top combo versus the full hard top. Now, this was on there originally, as you can see, used it pretty good amount. Quick fasteners, it goes on, center, and it's it. But when it gets really hot, like right now, like the sun goes down, you want wind flow. Taking that thing on and off and going back to the truck and dropping it off and coming back, and it's a pain. So this top is a little bit easier to use. Very simple, 2 straps for the middle and the quick fasteners. There are 2 of them and the rest go on the buttons. So again, let's keep it simple here. You put this on, which we're going to do in a second. Instead of taking the whole thing off, you can just unstrap this and roll it up. That way, you don't have to take the top off, find a home for it, leave it by the tree, hope no one sees it, hope no one steals it, come back on your way to the truck, put it on, and go home. I've never done that before. I'm just saying it's probably what people do. Had I had to guess. Super easy to install. Put 2 quick releases, 2 Velcro straps, and then 2 more right here, which just go in like this. All right, so now this thing is pretty much secured. I didn't strap it fully in the back because I'm going to be removing it soon to show you the bikini side of it and why this is so cool. So now it's all on. Roof is on, just like the hard top. Rain, whatever, I'm dry. I got all this. I have my back cover as well. But let's roll it up and let me show you the ease of use of it. Okay, so all you want to do, I left these loose on purpose, so all you can do is roll it up just like this. That's what the buttons are for. you release these Velcro straps right here. Okay. So now, if you roll this up, you have the hanging straps from the inside, and they just go like this. And there you go. So now you have the best of both worlds. I got the top on at all times, and I have my wind therapy. Again, I think the product speaks for itself. Elitewill, if you like this and you want a discount, all of the information is in the description with the link, YFT info. Get your discount. If you have a Maverick or a Razor and you want one of these, I got you. But we're not just gonna stop there. We're gonna put more accessories on this thing from the same company. Nerf bars, windshields, because winter's around the corner and, well, I wanna be warm. But for now, we're gonna enjoy it like this. That was reverse. So if you like this product, hit the link in the description. I thank y'all for watching. Until next time, Yazzie fade out.